Welcome to our channel. Today we how to disable auto updates on Ubuntu Server with unattended upgrades. Complete guide step by step clearly. To disable auto updates on Ubuntu Server using unattended upgrades, start by logging into your server. Use SSH or direct console access to connect to your Ubuntu server. Once logged in, begin by checking if the unattended upgrades package is installed. Run the command dpkg-lgrep unattended upgrades. If the package is installed, proceed to the next step. If it is not installed, you can skip to installing the package later if needed. Next, open the configuration file for unattended upgrades. Use the command sudo nano /etc/app/apartments/confd/20 auto upgrades. In this file, you will see options related to automatic upgrades. Look for the lines starting with apt periodic update package lists and apt periodic unattended upgrade. Both lines may look like this: apt periodic update package lists 1 semicolon. Change the values of these options to 0 to disable them. This will look like apt periodic update package lists 0 semicolon and apt periodic unattended upgrade 0 semicolon. Next, save the changes by pressing Ctrl+X, then Y, and finally enter. Now, verify that unattended upgrades is no longer set to run automatically. Navigate to the unattended upgrades configuration directory with cd/etc/app/apartments/confd/. Open the file named 50 unattended upgrades using sudo nano 50 unattended upgrades. In this file, you may find options to exclude certain packages from upgrades. Ensure that any package lists or settings you want to preserve are correctly configured. If you're satisfied with your edits, save and close the file as before. Now, you can ensure that automatic updates have been effectively disabled. You can check the status of the unattended upgrade service with the command sudo system+status unattended upgrades. If you want to completely remove the unattended upgrades package, you can do so with sudo apt remove unattended upgrades. Confirm the removal when prompted. Now, restart your server to ensure all changes take effect. Finally, verify that automatic updates do not occur after the restart. This completes the process of disabling auto updates on Ubuntu Server with unattended upgrades. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.